Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, yeah? Welcome back. Lucian in the kitchen. Today we're gonna make some organic tea, yeah? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Shout out to my regulars. Susan, big up yourself, Susan. I always forget to give you a shout out, Susan. Big up yourself, Susan. Check it, Mervin, big up yourself, Mervin, yeah? Welcome back. If you're new again, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, yeah? So today we're gonna be doing some tea. COVID-19 is running rampant in the place, so you gotta strengthen your immune system. So today we're gonna make some tea, some organic tea, yeah? Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Yep. So today I'm working with 3 simple ingredients, yeah? Dried pomegranate skin, you know, some garlic skin, because like remember when I made the smoothie, I saved the garlic skin from the smoothie and the turmeric skin from the smoothie, and I blended the garlic and the turmeric together, so I froze the paste. When I strained it, I froze the paste. So this is garlic and turmeric paste, yeah? And boom, my water's already boiling. So yeah, garlic and turmeric paste, pomegranate skin, dry pomegranate skin, man, organic, and some garlic. So I'm gonna throw this in first. As you can see, my water's already boiling, and I'm gonna add the turmeric and the garlic skin, pomegranate skin, organic. Add some more water. And I'm gonna let that boil, yeah? See you in a bit. Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? Organic tea. Organic herbal tea. Yes, folks. We are boiling. Oops. We are boiling. Look at that. We are boiling. And now I'm gonna add some lemon peel to it. Yeah? COVID-19 is running rampant, so we gotta strengthen our immune system. I'm gonna add some dried lemon skin to it. As you can see, we are already getting some kind of color. See that? Already getting some orange color, but we need the pomegranate to do its thing. We need some red from the pomegranate. Yeah. See that? That's the garlic and the turmeric. I mean, the ginger and the turmeric. Yeah. I wanted to add garlic in here, but for some reason, somehow, there is no garlic in the house. So there's a missing ingredient in here, garlic. But I guess we're gonna do without the garlic today. But yeah, if you're gonna try this tea, I recommend you add some fresh garlic in there too, yeah? More power. So like I said, some ginger, some turmeric, some dried pomegranate skin, some lemon skin, and if you have garlic, add some garlic. But somehow, some way, we have no garlic, so that means I gotta hit the grocery store. But yeah, pushing in the kitchen, yeah? Some tea today. Strengthen our immune system. Stay tuned. Yes, folks, we're coming along. Coming along. Did you subscribe yet? Look at that. Did you like the video yet? Did you share it yet? If you haven't, go ahead and do so, man. Look at that. My tea already spilled over here. See that? We're getting there. It's actually boiled already, but I want to keep it longer. I have it on low heat, doing its thing, yeah? Organic tea. Some ginger, some turmeric, lemon skin, pomegranate skin. Oh, and if you have, like if your stomach hurts, pomegranate skin tea is very good for that. Yeah? If you have a bad stomach, if your stomach hurts, pomegranate skin tea, that helps. Does wonders. Just boil this right here, and you're good to go. Alright? And that. Yes, folks. My tea is done, or almost done, but I'm gonna strain it. I'm gonna strain it so I get the waste out. Well, not the waste, but I'm gonna strain it. See you soon. Yes, folks. Tea is ready. Already strained it. Boom. And of course, organic, so we gotta season it with some honey. I'm not gonna put too much. But yeah. Thanks for watching, yeah? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Organic tea. Yes, guys. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something, I hope you guys learned something here. See? Organic tea, yeah? Ginger, turmeric, lemon skin, pomegranate skin, and of course, natural sweetener, honey. Hi! It's kind of spicy still. Ginger is strong in there. The ginger and the lemon, for some reason, is very strong in there, but it's good for you. Good for the immune system. Good for your stomach, I didn't add too much honey, just 1 spoon of honey, because I don't want it too sweet, Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something as usual. I hope you learned something. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Even comment below, Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers, Thanks for watching. Lucian in the kitchen. And look, big cup of tea, Not no small cup of tea. Big cup of tea. Big tea. No small. I need all of that in there. Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? I'm out. Cheers. Stay safe out there, alright? COVID-19 is no joke. Stay safe, wear your mask, social distance, stick to your circle, eat right, eat healthy, Lucian in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, yeah?